Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to fold it up. It's actually pretty easy. I'm just going to be doing this one-handed even. So in each of the four corners, there's going to be these two Velcro pieces. You just have to make sure they're attached because you're going to be folding in from each corner here. So as you can see, this corner, I just attached the Velcro pieces. Going over to the next corner and going to be doing it over here as well. Okay, so we have these two pieces folded. Now we're going to have to fold these two at the same time. So I'm going to be folding this one in just a little bit and using my other hand to gather it like that. Okay, and then we're just going to put those Velcro pieces together on all sides, and we're just going to be putting it in like that, however you would like. But the main component is this top piece here, so I'm just going to make sure that it actually fits like so. And like I said, super easy to do, and would be much easier if I was actually using both hands. But just like that, that is how you fold this into a storage box.